So guys, this is November month and it is 6th November. We are very close to our main GATE exam, and already in my institute crash course for GATE exam is the last course which is going on, and already I have made the video for 2023 admissions open, so you guys can watch that video. And after finishing this video, visit the description, and everything I have detailed in proper, like all the playlist is there in the description box. And now you see, guys, how to solve numericals in first attempt means, without cross check the numerical, how can you be sure that this numerical what you have solved it is totally correct? Means no need to solve two times. Sometimes what happens, we used to cross check numerical, like okay, one time solution done, and next time we will do the numerical. Now see, in cross check also we have one way which cross check is correct, which cross check is not correct. For example, if you have written line here, line here, line here, line here, this is your first time solution. And now second time also, when you are going for the cross check, you are reading the same line, like okay, this line is here, then this line is here, then this line is here, then this line is here. So if this kind of cross check you are doing, then this kind of cross check will not help you. Actually, first thing, what kind of cross check is worth? When you are doing the cross check, then you should solve the entire numerical one more time. When you are solving the numerical second time, that time you should not see this numerical what you have solved in the first time on your solution page. Okay, what you get the scribble pad in GATE exam, on that you should solve, right? Because see, if you will directly see the solution to cross check, like if you are like one time solution done, now if you'll see the same solution to cross check, like if you're reading like okay, done, 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 this is correct step, correct step, correct, no, then you will not find the mistakes here. You will find the mistake when you will solve the same question without seeing this for the second time. Now see the drawback here. When you are doing the cross check the same question, then first thing, see, first thing, in all the question you don't have to do the cross check method. Okay, you don't have to do like we have 65 questions, so of course in part A you have English also, so like the small questions you don't have to do some cross check. But in some questions cross check is very very important. So how will you do cross check? This is the way, like you should not solve the same numerical again. Sorry, you should not read the same solution. You should solve the same numerical one more time. That is called cross check. And if your final answer is matching, then very good. And if final answer is not matching, that's all. Tata, bye bye. You wasted question time of two questions. Okay, now you understand my point. What I'm saying here, in one attempt itself, I want you to solve question correctly. So who can solve this and how to avoid mistake in first attempt? See guys, very simple. When I change the color, see, when the question is given, suppose this is 5-line question. So first time, if your English is good means if you understand the sense of the sentence, there is huge chance of doing mistake if the question is lengthy. Okay, so first time, suppose mostly what happens, find the ratio of this area to this area, like these kind of situations are there, and by mistake if you're finding out just opposite and you are saying that is the answer, so these kind of mistakes so how will you avoid that? Very easy. Always go for single reading. Always go for single reading. Every single word you read that, you should develop the confidence that imagine if you will read this one line, then one line will vanish from here. You just imagine like this. If you are reading the first line, then after that you will not get the second chance to read the first line. You develop this kind of attitude. Okay, so read the first line, and whatever information is maintained in the first line, that should go in your mind. In single reading, this information should go in your mind. So it means what? You need a different type of practice. What is that practice? That practice is you should read the numericals like a history, like story. So take any book. Just for example, take Radhakrishnan book. In Radhakrishnan book, go to any chapter, whatever chapter you have completed. Just read the numerical. No need to solve the numerical. Just read the numerical and try to understand whether you are getting the numerical in first attempt or not. It means what kind of attitude or what kind of practice we have to build up. Read the question word, every word. A nozzle is given, exit it as this. Like you should feel okay in single attempt whether you are able to grasp all the question or not completely, like a story. If not, then what happens? Then actually what happens? Sometimes our brain will hang. our brain will hang. We'll read half questions and then suddenly it will be totally blackout. Like, okay, what I was reading, and then again we will read, again we will read, right? So these kind of habits we have to ignore. So how will you fix this? How will you get the solution for this? So idea is, whenever you are reading the question, whenever you are reading the question, you should read the question in with such attitude that whatever word you will read, that word you will not read again. It means a nozzle is given, exit area is this much, so you quickly draw a nozzle, exit area you draw, and when you are copying the data, suppose 25 is there, so copy, write very very like neat and clean. You should, because that is your main gate exam, so you should draw everything neat and clean, you should write everything neat and clean, so that you should not mess with your own diagram and own written words. So your words what you are writing on your rough page should be very very crystal clear. It should be like printed notebook, your scribble pad in your gate exam what you get. Okay, so you should do like this. Suppose it's a page, so you write properly, very neat and clean. Data given, what is the data given? Nozzle area is this much, exit pressure is this much, so that even though if there is a need, if you feel that okay, any logic is not working, I should solve this question one more time, so you should not read the question again, because question contains so many words. So you will take time, guys. See, that is, you are not sitting at your home. So all these small strategies can save 10 to 15 minutes in your exam hall, so that you can go for 2 more questions. And if you're coming into top 50, you can come into top 20. Okay, and if you're thinking to join IIT Madras and IIT Bombay, but because of this small mistake you are getting IIT Kharagpur, like that, get my point? Okay, so what will you do? You will read every single word, and in the same time when you are reading the question, geometry of the question should come in your mind, idea of the question should come in your mind, concept of the question should come in your mind. When you are reading the question, at the same time you should know, okay, from which chapter this question is, from which topic this question is. Okay, and keep on detailing on the scribble pad. What kind of detailing you should do? Okay, there is a aeroplane given, wing is given, wing area is given this much, like very slowly you have to take down. Okay, no need to no need to go fast. I will tell you why. Because if you do fast and if you go for second revision, then also you'll be getting same time. But if you are going for the single attempt but with very very effective way, so my point is, a student who is reading every single word, and the student understand the sense of every single word and the sentence, then student will not do mistake. Okay, so very 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 simple idea. Now what I said, how to solve numerical in first attempt. If you will go like this, try from today itself. Okay, try from today itself. No, I'm not saying to solve the numerical, I'm simply saying that take any book, take Anderson book, take Radhakrishnan book, take Zucker, anything you take, because in aircraft structure if you will go, data is very simple, you will not be able to, like, that is not complex data, so that's why I'm saying go for, or you just go for the previous year gate questions. Okay, there you read the question simply, you don't have to solve the question, just read the question and try to understand whether question is correct, whether you are getting the question or not. So this is another type of practice, man. This is another type of practice. Okay, like what kind of practice usually we do only, okay, read the question, we don't even see that we are reading the question properly or not. Okay, solve the question. No, you have to build one more skill in you. Okay, now you see here, no need to solve in, so if you do in this way, that is the correct procedure, right? No need to solve 2 times, because we all used to waste our 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, this is my personal experience. I have written gate exam so many times and I have qualified 5 times. That's why I'm saying this. Okay, now one more thing. When you are solving previous year question, sorry, when you are solving gate question, then one more type of mistake you may do. I will tell you what kind of mistake. Suppose actually what happens sometimes, sometimes we are writing like 2 into 3 is equal to 6, means we will say something else but we will write something else. So these kind of mistakes are very dangerous, because you know the concept, you know the entire procedure, you have done all the steps properly, but your final answer will not come correct. And when you will go back home, you will think that how can I write 5 here? So these kind of mistakes, how will you avoid? It depends on that day. That day means when you have exam days, mostly in our gate aerospace, our exam used to be in afternoon. So in afternoon means before 2 days or 3 days of exam, you should be totally relaxed, totally relaxed, then only these kind of mistakes you can avoid. So what kind of routine you should have before 10 days of exam? See whether you have done good preparation or you have done bad preparation. Last 10 days routine should be very good routine, so that if you have done 40%, that 40% you should perform as 40% in your sorry, that 40% you should perform as 100% in your exam hall. In this 40%, again if you are going to do 40% itself, no, it is not worth. Means what? If you have prepared only 40% syllabus, then in this 40% syllabus, definitely, because if you have done 40%, it means definitely you have done the pet syllabus. Pet syllabus means what is regular syllabus. So definitely questions will come from that, 40% questions will be there. So in that 40% you should not do mistake, so you should get the 40% mark. So for that your brain should be very healthy, your sleep and everything, food and everything should be. And mostly what happens, okay, so how to attend the exam hall, something that, for that I will make a separate video. My intention got over for today's video. Main thing was, in first attempt, how to solve the numerical correct. And have one more thing, guys. 2023 admission started. 2023 admission started for GATE exam for second year, third year, final year students. So, and pass out students, just watch the description box. There I have link what I have made the video. You watch the video, you get the details. Thank you.